Good morning to students. This is for class 8. Class 8, now we are going to start our online classes for moral science. Now for moral science you have to use this book, Avoiding Values. Then coming on to chapter 1. This is aerobic and meditation. Now what is aerobic exercises? See, aerobic exercises are those exercises which are performed in group or solo, but this has to be performed with music. This is called musical exercise. It is a form of physical exercise that combines the rhythmic aerobic exercise with stretching and strength training routine with the goal of improving all the element of fitness. So by this exercise you can improve your flexibility, muscular strength and cardiovascular fitness. All these can be improved through aerobic exercises. Now coming on to how many type of exercise are aerobics. Aerobics may be classified into following broad categories. First one is freestyle aerobics. This style combines several short dance combination learned and practiced 1 or 2 steps at a time, repeating the movement until one is able to execute the entire choreography together. See, this is first of all, in this exercise one has to give 1 or 2 steps. Until and unless he will improve in it, he can do it very well. After that, other part is starting. Now aerobic music accompanies the season throughout. This is followed by the strength section, which use body weight exercise to strengthen muscle and stretch routine to cool down and improve flexibility. So somewhere body weight, not more but less body weight is used in this in order to strengthen the muscles, to stretch routine to cool down and improve your flexibility. Each season usually lasts 30 to 60 minutes. So every session lasted in 30 to 60 minutes. Minimum it is of 30 and maximum of 60 minutes. And may include the use of equipment such as bare ball, aerobic step and small weight. These equipment are used in this freestyle aerobics. Now, see, this is the picture. This is how one has to perform the freestyle aerobics. Now, step aerobics. Step aerobics has to be performed like this. This is the picture by which you can perform step aerobics. This style is distinguished from other form of aerobic exercise by its use of evaluated platform, means step by step. The height can be modulated to individual need by inserting rises under the step. Means a certain height has to be given to an individual where he can perform this step aerobics. Step aerobics was innovated by Gin Miller around 1989. Dancing games such as Dance Revolution and In the Groove may be included in step aerobic exercises. So dancing games are also included in this step aerobics. Now another form of aerobic exercise are sport aerobic or aerobic gymnastic. This has to perform like this. Like this has to perform. So this style is more vigorous and involves performing continuously complex and high intensity movement patterns to music. This routine must demonstrate creative with the perfect integration of all the movement, music and expression. So this sports aerobic has to perform with high intensity, means you have to use full energy for performing this sports aerobic. And also the movement of all has to be same. It is performed in group and all the group member has to perform the same movements with the music and expressions also. So it combines the element of aerobic, sport aerobic, rhythmic gymnastic along with the music, dance and choreography. Now water aerobic and water aerobics. So water aerobic exercise has to perform like this. This has to perform in shallow water, not in deep water. Shallow water such as swimming pool, It is also the type of resistance training to achieve the body fitness and strength. Yoga posture has to be performed in this way. So yoga posture or asana are the body position typically associated with the practice of yoga. This has to be done through yoga, intended primarily to restore and maintain a practitioner's well-being, improve the body flexibility and vitality, and promote the ability to remain in seated meditation for extended period. They may be practiced for exercise and alternate medicine to prevent illness and disease. So this can also reduce the cause of illness or disease. Now coming on to next topic, meditation, way to mental strength. So meditation is very important for mind. This improves the mental performance. How? See, method and practice of the meditation differ widely across the many culture and tradition prevalent in the various phases of the journey of the human civilization. Meditation is sometimes the meditatio in Latin, which is the third or the fourth step of Lectio Divina, an ancient form of the Christian prayer. It may also refer to the second of the three steps of yoga in Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, a step called dhyana in Sanskrit. So meditation has been performed from the ancient time. Our Rishi Munis have used to perform this exercise on the regular basis in order to keep their mind relaxed and keep their mental fitness. Now meditation essentially includes three main criteria: the use of a definite technique, logic, relaxation, and a self-induced state or mode. So these are the things by which you can perform a good meditation exercise. Secondary, non-essential criteria include a stage of psychophysical relaxation, use of self-focus skill or anchor, a religious, spiritual, philosophical contest, or a stage of the mental silence. So like this way you have to perform the meditation. There should be spiritual silence, mental silence should be there. And now meditation may be broadly categorized into the following types in accordance with the direction of the mental attention employed by the practitioner. Now first one is concentration meditation. In this form, the practitioner focuses intensively on one particular object while consistently bringing the mind back to concentrate on the chosen object. For example, in Anapanasati, one pays attention to the movement of one's breath. This exercise, concentration meditation, has to perform in this way. So here one has to concentrate only on one particular thing and continuously breathing inside outside. So in this way one has to perform concentration meditation. Now mindfulness meditation. Here the practitioner focuses extensively on all mental events, input that enter the field of awareness or both specific focal point and the field of awareness. Here on every mental event one has to focus while performing mindfulness meditation. The subject sits comfortably in silence, centering attention by focusing mental awareness on an object or process, and then consciously scan thought in an open focus, shifting freely from one perception to the next. No thought, image or sensation is considered an unwanted intrusion. The meditation remains in an effortless in the here and now stage. The anchor is constantly brought back to the present, and all analysis or fantasy regarding the content of the awareness is avoided while relaxing the secondary thought process. So in this, one has to thought all the mental event, and while performing this exercise one has to breathe loudly. Either he should make any sound or any mantra, or he should visualize that something is going on he should visualize this in his mind only. This is how mindfulness meditation is performed. Now next, meditation and intoxication. So what is intoxication? It is nasha, means a kind of one who take the drugs, like this only. Then many traditions in which the meditation is practiced, such as transcendental meditation, Buddhism, Hinduism, etc., forbid use of intoxicants during meditation. They said that intoxicants should be prohibited during meditation. And Edwin Arnold said, shun drugs and drink which work the wit abuse. Clear mind, clear bodies need no so much juice. Means these drinks and drugs are abuse to our body. But if we are clear minded and clean bodies, so we even not need juice also. Now next is meditative posture. Various postures are taken up in the meditation. In meditation different kind of postures are taken, but sitting, supine and standing posture may be employed. Most well known in the Buddhism and Hindu tradition, as well in the modern form, are the full lotus, half lotus, Burmese and kneeling position. These type of position are used by all the Buddhism, Hinduism as well as from the modern form people. Meditation can also be practiced while walking, such as kinhin, or doing simple repetitive tasks as in Zen Samu, or such work that encourage mindfulness. So meditation can also be performed while walking. Now coming on to next advantage of meditation. Different meditative techniques triggers a host of biochemical and physical change in the body. Physical as well as biochemical change is produced through the meditation that alter metabolism, heart rate, respiration, blood pressure and brain activation. So all these things are affected by the meditation. Even doctors have been using certain meditative method to reduce the stress and pain. Meditation help enhance attention span and better performance in the task needing sustained concentration. Students particularly benefit a lot from simple meditative practice that increase their concentration, relieve tiredness and mental fatigue, and improve mental alertness. Meditation also help adolescents to curb and positively channelize anger, resentment and desire, both material and physical. So how meditation is useful? Meditation improve all the physical change and biochemical change in our body, like our heart rate, respiration, blood pressure, etc. And even doctors are using some meditative method so that to reduce the stress. And also meditation is very important for the youngsters or adolescents. So since meditation improves the mental ability, it relieves one from the tiredness and also improve the mental alertness. So this is all for the chapter. Now your exercise, I will give the question answer in next class. Till then, thank you.